In just 24 hours, Threads, the new app introduced by Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, amassed a remarkable 30 million users.
Threads.
Threads touched 100 million users in less than 5 days of its launch.
The app will be linked to Instagram and is widely seen as a potential rival to Twitter. Meta describes it as a text-based conversation app.
Many of them say that Threads is similar to Twitter, and now Twitter is threatening legal action.
They have very intelligently recognized that they can port over, essentially shift over existing Instagram users to this new service.
Could Threads be the downfall of Twitter? When examining the numbers, it becomes difficult to ignore the potential of Threads. An account on Threads with a humble following of 10K is currently generating higher levels of engagement compared to a Twitter account with a substantial 1 million followers. This unusual phenomenon on a comparatively smaller platform has sparked an unprecedented level of excitement. So, what sets Threads apart from the rest? In recent times, dissatisfaction with Twitter has become widespread. Users express their discontent, proclaiming their dislike for the app or blaming Elon Musk for its decline. Twitter's user experience has been tarnished by an overwhelming presence of advertisements, with an ad seemingly appearing after every 5 posts. The platform has also become a breeding ground for numerous bot accounts and inappropriate content that often goes unnoticed. Additionally, Twitter now charges users for verification, resulting in situations where fake accounts pay for verification, leading to potential deception. Furthermore, Twitter has imposed limitations on the number of tweets one can view in a day, unless users are willing to pay for expanded access. Twitter's once welcoming atmosphere has lost its charm, leaving many users with a sense of disconnect. In response to this decline, Threads has emerged as a viable alternative, seizing the opportunity to capitalize on Twitter's downward spiral. Powered by Meta, Threads has strategically launched without ads and postponed monetization until it achieves an ambitious milestone: 1 billion users. Mark Zuckerberg's ambitious vision is evident, as this achievement would make Threads twice as large as Twitter. Threads has entered the social media landscape at a pivotal moment, offering users a fresh and ad-free experience that resonates with those disenchanted by Twitter's current state. To tackle the issue of bot activity, Meta has implemented a prerequisite for users to possess an Instagram account before registering for Threads. Additionally, Threads introduces a captivating feature that enables users to view an unlimited number of posts per day, with seamless verification carried over from their Instagram accounts. When Instagram followers join Threads, they automatically become followers of the same accounts they follow on Instagram. This unique integration has sparked tremendous enthusiasm among creators, encouraging them to share exclusive content with their newfound audience. Threads offers users a rejuvenated experience, fostering a renewed sense of belonging and optimism, in stark contrast to the diminishing allure of Twitter. During registration, users are assigned a numbered ranking based on their sign-up time, fueling a race-like atmosphere. This has prompted a rush to secure positions among the first million, 10 million, and now the first 100 million users. Users can even proactively add people in anticipation of their future registration. However, it's important to note that Instagram followers are automatically added to Threads accounts only if users have already registered, motivating individuals to sign up promptly to maximize their automatic followings. Unfortunately, Threads does have its shortcomings. Essential features like trending topics are currently missing from the app. Twitter's distinguishing factor is its emphasis on news. It serves as a platform for users to not only engage in debates, but also stay informed about global events and public opinion. In contrast, Instagram has evolved from its original focus on Friends updates to a TikTok-like experience. Additionally, Threads faces a data problem as it remains unavailable in the European Union due to strict data sharing policies. This presents a significant challenge for users who would need to start anew, especially for those who have invested years into building their Twitter follower count. Even if their core audience transitions to Threads and engagement remains high, the absence of a substantial follower count may evoke a sense of loss. However, if any company can accomplish this feat, it is likely Meta. Meta openly acknowledges that Threads is a worthy rival to Twitter. The initial launch focused on simplicity and stability, with plans to gradually introduce more features and expand to additional countries. The app itself closely resembles Twitter, with design elements inspired by Instagram. Meta, known for outperforming competitors like MySpace and Snapchat, has a history of replication and domination. If Threads overtakes Twitter, it would be a significant achievement. Meta's handling of user data is also concerning. The extensive data sharing terms and the clause linking Threads and Instagram accounts raise questions. The concentration of power in Meta's hands is alarming, given their track record. While Threads has demonstrated improvements over its competitors, its long-term superiority is not guaranteed. Meta's primary focus is on acquiring users rather than generating revenue, which raises valid concerns regarding vision and control. Nevertheless, users possess the power to shape these platforms. Let's choose Threads to drive positive change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more engaging content.